On this day, on January 22, 1666, the fifth Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan died at the age of 74 in Agra, India. He was laid to rest next to his wife Mumtaz Mahal in the Taj Mahal. Emperor Shah Jahan's original name was Shihabuddin Muhammad Khurram and was the successor of Emperor Jahangir in 1628. Under his emperorship, the Mughals reached the peak of architectural achievement and cultural glory. He also took part in campaigns against the Rajputs of Mewar and the Lodhis of Deccan. He commissioned the Red Fort, Shah Jahan Mosque, and the Taj Mahal, where his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal is entombed. He was succeeded by the seventh and most important emperor in the history of the Mughal reign, Emperor Aurangzeb in 1658.